Brain and its parts. The brain is the central organ of the human nervous system, responsible for controlling thoughts, memory, emotions, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, and many other bodily functions. Main parts of the brain and their functions. 1. Cerebrum, largest part. Function: controls thinking, reasoning, memory, emotions, and voluntary movements. Divided into two hemispheres, left and right. Lobes. Frontal lobe, decision-making, problem-solving, planning, voluntary movements. Parietal lobe, touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. Temporal lobe, hearing, language, and memory. Occipital lobe, vision. 2. Cerebellum. Function: maintains balance, posture, and coordination of movements. 3. Brainstem. Parts: midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. Function: controls automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, digestion, and sleeping. 4. Hypothalamus. Function: regulates body temperature, hunger, thirst, emotions, and sleep-wake cycles. Links the nervous system to the endocrine system via the pituitary gland. 5. Thalamus. Function: acts as a relay station, sending sensory and motor signals to the cerebral cortex. 6. Pituitary gland. Function: known as the master gland, it regulates growth, metabolism, and reproductive processes by secreting hormones. Neuron, the nerve cell. Definition: a neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Function: it carries messages, nerve impulses, throughout the body. Parts of a neuron. Dendrites receive messages. Cell body contains the nucleus. Axon carries messages away from the cell. Axon terminals pass the signal to other neurons or muscles. Neurons never touch, they pass signals through synapses using chemicals called neurotransmitters. Reflex arc, quick reaction system. Definition: a reflex arc is the pathway taken by nerve impulses during a reflex action. Example: pulling your hand back when you touch something hot. Pathway. 1. Receptor, in skin, detects a stimulus, example heat. 2. Sensory neuron carries signal to spinal cord. 3. Interneuron processes the signal. 4. Motor neuron sends signal to muscles. 5. Effector, muscle, moves the hand away.